Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the Trade of the Week. You better use the news or you may lose. That's what happened on Flash Manufacturing, US style. Sometimes when the news results are released, it helps you to save a trade and make your money, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now, Flash Manufacturing is a monthly report. We trade it all the time. This particular report, we're trading as a reversal trade. When the price goes down, we buy the market. We make money when it reverses. I noticed on the right here, it's a little hard to see, but the results of this news report were very positive. That pushes gold to the downside. We almost got stopped. The price almost hit that X at the bottom. That would take us out of the trade with a rather large loss. It did not hit that area because our setups are very reliable. And I noticed that this price was changing direction, okay? And that's how we make our money. The price goes up. I noticed that the news was going to push the price down, so I wanted to take that profit as fast as I could. I patiently waited for the price to go up above my entry, which is this black and green bar here, and you're going to watch. It takes a few seconds. I knew the news was going to push. The price is going to finally go up. We're going to get our green candle, and it's going to give us the opportunity to get a profit. Right now, I'm down a couple of $100. There's our reversal. I'm getting ready to move my orders into the price so I can make my profit. Here it comes. As I said, I was worried that the news was going to push gold pricing down to this red line, which is the low of the day. That acts as a magnet. There was a very good chance it would happen. Here comes our small reversal. We didn't get a huge one, but we got a big enough reversal. There it is, out of the market for a $160 profit. When you can use the news to manage a trade, that makes our trade, Flash Manufacturing, this week's Trade of the Week. Use the news so you don't lose. Pay attention to the results because they may affect the instrument you're trading. Sometimes when the news is good, it pushes gold down. So when we got that reversal, even though it was small, we were ready to take that profit, and profit we did, $160. Never any complaints about taking a decent profit. Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Make sure you read this email. Check out the link. You can join us, our new pro membership. The link will be in this email. I want to see you all on the inside, learning how to trade the news, appointment-based trading. See you soon. Leigh Goldstein signing out.